Children, hope you all are doing well. Children, coming to the fifth part of the chapter 12, factorization, exercise 12.3 of class 8. Okay, this is the solution of the revised syllabus. So in the fifth part, we have to factorize the expression first and then we have to divide it as well. Okay, so let's see how to do. So in the first part, we have to divide y square plus 7y plus 10 by y plus 5. Okay, so we can factorize this expression, this trinomial, by the splitting the middle terms. Okay, so children, 7y can be written as 5y plus 2y. See, y square 5y plus 2y, isn't it? 5y plus 2y is equal to 7 plus, and this third term, this constant 10 can be written as 2 into 5 upon y plus 5. Now children, in this we have got 4 terms. Now we can pair them. Okay, so we will get this to one pair and this one pair. So here it is y square and here it is 5y. So at least one y can be taken as common. Okay, so I have taken one y as common and we left with y in the first term plus 5 in this second term because this y is taken as common. Okay, now plus in this second pair we have 2y in the first and in the second term we have 2 into 5. It means 2 is common to both the terms. So I can take 2 as common and then we are left with y plus 5. See, in the first pair if we have got y plus 5, then in the second pair also we should get y plus 5 as the common factor. Okay, then y plus 5 in the denominator. Okay, now out of this y plus 5, y plus 5, these are common to both the terms. Now I can take y plus 5 as common. Okay, and then we are left with y plus 2, y plus 2 upon y plus 5, and this y plus 5 and this y plus 5 will get cancelled and we get the solution as y plus 2. Okay children, in the second part we have to factorize this algebraic expression m square minus 14m minus 32, then we have to divide by m plus 2. Okay, so let's see how to factorize it. I am using the method of splitting the middle term. So 14 minus 14, here the minus sign is there. It means the bigger integer should be in negative. Okay, and the smaller should be positive integer. So how we can write minus 14? We can write minus 14 as m square minus 16m plus 2m, isn't it? Minus plus minus, but sign will be of bigger integer. So here 16 is the bigger one, so we will put minus sign. Okay, so we get minus 14m. Then similarly 32 can be written as 16 into, in the bracket you can write as this minus 16 into 2. Okay, minus 16 into 2 will be minus 32. Okay, upon m plus 2. Now children, we can pair them because we have 4 terms. So in the first term we can take m as common because m is at least one m can be taken as common. So we are left with m minus 16. Okay, and children, in the second term here it is 2m and here it is minus 16 into 2. So 2 can be taken as common. So we will take 2 as common and then we are left with m minus 16 because this 2 is taken as common, and then m plus 2. See, in the first pair if we have got n minus 16, then in the second pair also we will get n minus 16. Okay, now out of this n minus 16 is common to both the terms, we can take n minus 16 as common and we are left with n plus 2 upon n plus 2. This m plus 2 will get cancelled and we are left with the solution to this question. I hope it was easy for you to understand. Children, if you're fine with the explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.